is it possible to become mother after menopause?
See, menopause is a climatic condition in a woman's reproductive life. See, we are born with a definitive number of eggs and which depletes us after 45. Menopause is when the ovarian function is not there and there is no menstruation cycle. But it is still possible to become a mother after menopause with the help of assisted reproductive techniques and the third party reproductive techniques.
Ma'am, egg freezing is another very common term nowadays. So, yeah. So, are the modern women of India showing interest in the technique of egg freezing?
Like when egg freezing came, ये जब आया था तो ये एक मेडिकल इंडिकेशन के लिए आया था. लाइक जो कैंसर सर्वाइवर होते हैं, जिनको कैंसर हो जाती है, तो हाउ दे विल प्रिजर्व देयर फर्टिलिटी, बिकॉज आफ्टर कीमो एंड रेडियोथेरेपी द इम्पैक्ट इज ओवरी इज वेरी बैड. सो द concept of egg freezing came in, where what we do, we stimulate the ovary, retrieve the egg and freeze there for the future fertility, for the future use of those egg. But now, apart from the medical indication, the another concept is coming, that social egg freezing, जिसको हम लोग बोल सकते हैं, because in modern world the women are becoming more careeristic, they are planning their family late marriages are there. So but the fertility will not wait for that things. Age, as the age increases, the fertility goes down. So this is a very good option, or you can say the boon for the women who can preserve their fertility by the method of egg freezing. But previously the egg freezing, that technically it is very difficult thing to do. इसलिए ये few years back ही आया, when जब विट्रिफिकेशन बोल के एक टेक्निक होता है फ्रीजिंग करने का, जब वो आया, ठीक है. ये विट्रिफिकेशन से जो एग्स को हम लोग फ्रीज करते हैं तो एग के डिस्ट्रॉय होने का चांसेस कम रहता है, ठीक है. पहले ये टेक्निक नहीं था, तो ये विट्रिफिकेशन से एग को हम इजीली फ्रीज कर सकते हैं और हम लोग फ्यूचर में जब हम लोग प्रेगनेंसी प्लान करें तब उन एग्स को हम लोग प्रेगनेंसी के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं.